Meet Nina. Nina is a product strategist at Nile Incorporated, a large online retailer. She often has to update the homepage with new products for trending deals, personalize content, and try new features. The homepage screenshot shows a series of slots at the top, a trending deals section in the bottom left, and a slot for a new feature Nina wants to try out. Nina wants the second slot in the top row to be personalized according to the age and the gender of the logged-in user, as well as the ability to customize the slot categories as the seasons change. Additionally, she wants to be able to add, remove and modify the trending deals section with new and exciting products weekly. Meet Marcos. Marcos is a full-stack developer, responsible for maintaining the homepage. He has built the UI in React, and the backend is Node. The flood of requirements from Nina and her team are overwhelming Marcos, requiring him to work long hours. Nile Incorporated has a development, testing, and production environment, and Marcos is struggling to keep track of the state of his code across different environments. Meet Michelle. Michelle is on the ops team, and responsible for rolling out features, working with Nina and Marcos to figure out when and who to release features to, and in which environments. Michelle has a giant repository of configuration files she edits manually, and is having a hard time keeping track of them. Lambda Genie helps your product, development, and operations staff reduce the time it takes to go from business requirements to production release. Release in minutes, while reducing risk using runtime, dynamic feature flags, business rules, and configurations that can be updated without a code change or deployments. It reduces complexity by decoupling your code from configuration, and helps you iterate faster. With Lambda Genie, Marcos uses ChatGPT to build configuration schemas, so Nina can enter, type-safe, validated configuration into Lambda Genie. Once Nina enters the categories for the slots, as well as the trending products, Marcos uses the zero-dependency, lightweight, Lambda Genie SDK runtime to load trending deals, using either a push or pull API endpoint in minutes. Nina can now update the homepage anytime she wants, with configuration that is compliant with the schema Marcos has made for her. With Lambda Genie, Nina uses ChatGPT to build dynamic, runtime, business rules that can be used for personalization, workflow logic, and more. Once Nina has set up the business rules, Marcos uses the Lambda Genie SDK to implement dynamic runtime personalization. Now, when users log into the website, the product category is customized according to their name and gender so they see the most relevant products. With Lambda Genie, Michelle uses the Lists module, along with business rules and environment management, to set up feature flags, with custom logic for each environment. Marcos uses Lambda Genie SDK to evaluate if the user should be shown the feature, based on attributes and environment. Michelle is able to define additional environments as needed, and customize the logic for the feature flag in each environment as requested by Nina and her team. When Nina is ready, Michelle deletes the flag and the feature is open to all. With Lambda Genie, the team is able to implement a fully personalized homepage, with type-safe, runtime configuration that has curated content, feature flags integrated with the rules engine, and dynamic runtime configuration that can be updated without code changes or application deployments, in minutes. Lambda Genie enables your product owners to define business rules using either ChatGPT or an easy-to-use intuitive UI, allows your operations staff to roll out features using intelligent feature flags, and saves developer time with runtime, type-safe configuration in minutes with zero code or downtime.